Hi there, this is Geno with Music Villa. Today, Geno likes the new DiMarzio Colossal 5-string pickups. So I personally am a guy who loves active basses. And so we have kind of a neat thing here. We have a low dollar Ibanez bass stock and with the new Colossal pickups in them. So what's really awesome about the Colossal pickups is they're neodymium magnets. Neodymium magnets are a kind of a supercharged magnet, if you will, or a combination of neodymium, which is I think periodic table number 60 with boron and iron. So they're very, very high magnetism for a small magnet. The neat thing about this is the magnetic field on these pickups is massive. So the big plus point is no battery, no circuitry, and all the dynamic range that you would have. I actually honestly have to say more dynamic range than my active basses. These things just sound absolutely wonderful. They look amazing. Currently, DiMarzio is only offering these in a 5-string version. I'm sure there's a 4-string version coming. But anyway, let's listen to these things side by side. So what we're going to do is listen to the stock Ibanez bass, and then we'll go back and forth with the Colossal version. We're also going to use the GR 800 watt combo, which we're going to talk about. Look for our video on the GR amps as well. All right, so here we have the stock Ibanez, and there is a pretty drastic volume difference between the two. We're going to go ahead and leave that so you can really listen to that. But this is the stock Ibanez. All right, and now we're going to listen to the Colossal. There you go. There's the two basses. All I can say is Colossal. So come down to Music Villa and check them out. Bring your bass in and we'll put them in for you.